Hello friends, welcome to Nursery Live. Gifting plants to someone is the best way to show them how much you care for them. So Nursery Live brings you a perfect plant pack, tabletop office desk plants for gift. In this plant pack, you will get a lucky bamboo, Peperomia and golden money plant. And with these plants, you will also get colorful pots. When you give someone a plant, you are giving them a gift of healthy living because plants remove harmful toxins from the air, elevate the beauty of any space, provide oxygen, and also help in reducing stress. The plants in this pack are the best tabletop plant and also are very easy to care. So friends, make your loved one happy and healthy by gifting them this plant pack. Further description and price details are given in the bio. Thank you.